What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on Rosa's activity, Rosa Spearban posted on Instagram her beautiful photo and a short video clip of her endorsement from fans. On Instagram post, Rosa Spearban caption it, #fans, #fans lang. Rosaya, her looks so beautiful wearing her beautiful red dress, and as she walked on the red carpet, and now she was so glowing of her skin from the product of Pond's. Process Spearman showed to everyone how the product was so effective for her, and Rosaya wants everyone to try it. It is one of her skincare protection. A miracle happened. No wonder how she was so flawless and beautiful, like her boyfriend Adek likes her very much. Aside from outside looks, she was so very kind and had a big heart for everyone, especially to the people who loves her. Many fans was also there supporting Urasaya until now and then. Every time Urasaya has an interview or an event or a show, they are always there to cheer up Urasaya in everywhere.